Hello, this is Hans the Dutch guy with Much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent Karel Appel, the Dutch painter, sculptor and poet. This is the way we say Karel Appel. Karel Appel. There is a light emphasis on the first syllable of his last name. Karel Appel. Karel Appel. Karel Appel. Karel Appel was one of the founders of the avant-garde movement CoBrA in 1948. I hope this video was helpful. You can help us by liking it and by subscribing to our channel. We do have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out too. And if there are any words you need help pronouncing in Dutch, just let us know in the comments, and we will get that word on Much Dutch as soon as possible. Tot ziens!